Good morning, students. With continuation to the previous class, in the previous class we discussed about what is pump. As I told you, pump is a hydraulic machine which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. In the previous class, we also discussed about the classification of pump, two major classification, rotodynamic pump and positive displacement pump. In the rotodynamic pump, we discussed about a category called a centrifugal pump. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about reciprocating pump, which is a subcategory of positive displacement pump. This reciprocating pump is usually fitted with sometimes with piston and cylinder arrangement, sometimes with a pneumatic arrangement. So the varieties are there, out of which our syllabus mainly covers about reciprocating pump fitted with piston and cylinder arrangement. So now we'll go for reciprocating pump principle. Again, this reciprocating pump is a hydraulic machine which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy by using the reciprocating motion of piston. That is why this is called as a reciprocating pump. In this reciprocating pump consists of a piston and cylinder arrangement fitted with a suction pipe with suction valve, delivery pipe with delivery valve. Provided that the piston inside the cylinder, that piston is connected to the crank wheel fitted with a connecting rod. Thus the connecting rod will be connecting the piston inside the cylinder with the crank wheel. The process will be happening in two strokes simply. First stroke will be called as suction stroke and second stroke will be called as delivery stroke. The main thing which we are going to discuss here is during the first half of the cycle, that is during the suction stroke, your crank wheel which is connected to the electrical motor, when you switch on the electrical motor, the crank wheel rotates. During the suction stroke, the crank wheel will be rotating from 0 degree to 180 degree. When it rotates from 0 degree to 180 degree, the piston inside the cylinder, which is available already in the right extreme side, due to the crank wheel motion, the piston will be moving to the extreme left hand side of the cylinder. As a result, there will be a partial vacuum is created inside the cylinder. The pressure inside the cylinder is very less than the atmospheric pressure. As a result, due to the pressure difference between the air inside the cylinder and the atmospheric pressure in the sump, the water will be automatically getting sucked into the piston with cylinder arrangement. Since the piston is available at the extreme right hand side, during the suction stroke, the water will be collected inside the cylinder. By opening the suction valve, the water is sucked in through the suction pipe. So now during the first half of suction stroke, the crank wheel is rotated from 0 to 180 degree. The piston which is available inside the cylinder moved from extreme right hand side to the extreme left hand side. There will be a partial vacuum is created inside the cylinder. The pressure inside the cylinder is less than the atmospheric pressure, hence the water is sucked inside the cylinder. During the second half of the cycle, that is during delivery stroke, the crank wheel is rotating from 180 degree to 360 degree. That is second half of the stroke. During delivery stroke, due to the crank wheel rotation from 180 degree to 360 degree, the piston which is on the extreme right hand side of the cylinder will be moving again back to extreme left hand side of the cylinder. As a result, the piston forces the water into the delivery pipe, hence the water will be delivered outside by opening the delivery valve. These both suction valves and delivery valves located in the suction pipe and delivery pipe respectively, which allows the fluid to flow only in one direction, which does not allows the reverse flow. Since this entire functioning is happening based upon the reciprocating motion of piston, this method is called as, or this pump is called as reciprocating pump. Thank you.